This was a major project here at the Little Chiques Park. The borough was working with RETTEW to do this major stream bank restoration project that had a massive effect on the amount of nitrates and all the other pollutants, keeping them out of the Susquehanna River, which in turn keeps them out of the bay. Prior to coming to Mount Joy, I worked at West Hemphill Township, and RETTEW was our engineers as well. When I came here to Mount Joy, we had a separate engineering firm, and they weren't working at the level that we had hoped they would be doing. So we realized there was a switch to make, and naturally, from my past experiences, I went to RETTEW to see if they would be interested in taking on the borough. The responsiveness that I got in the past, the efficiency, the quick responses, all that made them a good fit for our borough. Been a really great relationship at this point in time, yeah. They're there for us.